Well, here we are heading into week 7. Yes, I have my cheat sheet in front of me. So this week is Module 2 project for Excel, which is the Johnny's Animal Hospital supply. Just make sure you are paying very close attention to the conditional formatting because different conditions are going to be different colors. So again, if you don't have the colors that are stated, just make them look similar or just something that will look okay to a client in the future. So just make sure you have that, because what you're really doing is when you're talking to a client directly, it's just a way to show something quickly, easily, that's very visual and easy to see. So be careful with all that. And if you need anything, just let me know. We are in week 7, so that means you have 3 more weeks of work left. Since there is no prepared final during finals time, your last quiz and project will be the last. So again, if you want to work ahead, you can, but if not, just keep on track and let me know if you need anything.